Hello, my name is Alan Forbes from RPR Wyatt, and I'm here to talk to you about the Domino Restart Program. Organizations are spending millions of dollars every year on migration projects, which are high risk, add no business value, and ultimately stall. IT vendors have told many organizations that it would be easy to move everything off of Domino. They offered incentives, said it was simple, and said that everyone was doing it. Many organizations moved their mail and calendars. That was relatively easy. So then they decided to stop updating their Domino platform and stop investing in ongoing development in Notes applications. Then they started to move the apps over. This is where it all started to go wrong. Migration away from Domino almost always gets stuck. You start off with the low-hanging fruit, the easy applications that come out of the box with Domino as templates. There are automated tools for this, and you can get to the other side and have like-for-like functionality and feel like, hey, this plan is going to work. Next, companies moved over to the functionality-based types of applications. These are medium complexity. And in general, what people ended up doing with is taking custom off-the-shelf applications like ServiceNow and Salesforce and Jira and just putting it out in the cloud. As we start to move along this timeline, however, the cost and the complexity starts to go up. What's left is the capability-based applications that are critical, and replatforming them is hard. This is about the point where customers tend to get stuck because the business case to replatform starts to erode because it doesn't seem so simple and the costs start to go up astronomically. And even worse, the functionality mapping challenges, which means that even if you can get to the other side, which is not a given, what you might end up with might not even do everything that Domino was able to do. Domino applications run your business. You're still using them because they work perfectly. They fit you. But a lot of these applications are still running on Domino version 8 or Domino version 9. Domino version 8 came out in 2007. Domino 9 came out in 2013. Users want modern, but they think their Notes applications are old, slow, and hard to update. Wouldn't you feel the same way if you were still using your old 2001 cell phone? That's what you're doing with Domino. It was a good decision at the time. It was the best decision you could make. Everyone agreed that the Domino platform was dead. Even IBM did nothing to dispel this notion. But you can relax. Finally, stop the insanity because Domino is back. Domino version 11 by HCL. It's time to implement a new strategy, one that's low risk, high value, and zero disruption. Domino today is not like it used to be in 2008 and 2013. Domino 11 is lightweight, it's mobile friendly, and it is still rock solid. Domino works on the cloud. You can have single sign-on with Active Directory. Now it supports Docker, so you can put it up in Azure or Google Cloud or AWS. You don't even have to host it on-prem. And it is instantly mobile friendly with the new HCL Nomad application, which allows Notes applications to run unmodified on mobile devices. It's absolutely astonishing. Today's Domino apps use JavaScript, Angular and React, and Node.js. So if you're concerned that you're not going to be able to find developers who are going to work on this platform, you can relax about that too. Domino is a fully modern framework today. The HCL Domino Restart Program is, in my opinion, absolutely genius. There's no reinstatement penalty. You can get up to 60% off on licensing, and you can get free services when you upgrade. You get peace of mind that you have a fully supported and secure application. That was not true before HCL bought Domino. You can get service investment to enable Domino 11, and RPR Wyatt wants to be your partner on that journey. You get modern, fast, mobile-enabled applications, and you get the best ever pricing and value from HCL. RPR Wyatt wants to be your Domino Restart partner. Talk to us and get a quote. Find out how much it will cost to come home to Domino. Talk to us about services. We can help you move to Domino 11, and we can modernize your application so your users are happy again. And finally, If you'd like to work with us to pitch management, we would be happy to do a joint presentation with you. Sometimes ideas seem more palatable when they come from an outside consultant. We get it. We want to work with you on this.